Going up.
This is the elevator at Millennium Falcon Smugglers Run. Awesome ride, by the way. This is an Otis Gen2. Whoa. Cool buttons. This is cool. Yo. What kind of innovation is this?
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing has seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.
Let's get a cab view. This cab is awesome, and Smugglers Run is an awesome ride. Fastest Gen2 I've been on.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing is practically scrap metal.
I mean, look at these. These are awesome. California code compliant buttons.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay. Downside front.